Hey guys, yeah, we're just going to go through the steps involved in order to remove the double opt-in from your campaign list. The double opt-in involves a initial email from Getresponse confirming that they're signing up to your subscription, and in previous, it really depends. A lot of people don't like their email, so we are given the option to remove that. So what we're going to do here is that where we created a campaign before, we're going to quickly go here, go to settings, we go to list settings here, quickly go to subscription. Now this will put what it means by double opt-in, where the web subscriptions and API have already been turned off. So we don't have to worry about turning it off as it's already done. So when it's off, it's grayed out. When it's on, it's blue. What you also want to do is just, they know they're going to get an email from us. So a lot of people usually put the email in, know that they're going to get a subscription notice, but we can just turn that off. So your first email is the primary one. All right, guys, it's very simple, straightforward. This is why I chose this system. It's very easy to navigate around, and we'll be able to show you more of Getresponse in some more videos. Thanks, guys.